Tingnan niya guys, ang ganda niya. Oh. So, ano ba ngayon? It's October the 25th, I think. And malamig, it's like +2. And siguro gusto niyang ilabas one last time bago mag-snow. Tandaan ko nung teenager ako, oh my god, sikat na sikat yan. Pero mas lalong sikat ngayon. Cap number 1. And it's, yeah, it looks like it's well capped. Convertible. Mazda Miata, 1990. Oh my god. I haven't seen one of these in forever. Winter time. That's beautiful. That brings me back. I love it. Let's go home. So guys, nandito kami ni Mrs. sa Mississauga ngayon. B-Trust. Dito kami madalas mag-shopping for Asian foods dahil dun sa Brantford walang ganitong kalaking mga grocery stores para sa mga Pinoy sa katulad natin, di ba? Kakain sana kami sa labas, pero you know what? I think mas maganda tong option na ginawa namin. Gusto nyo makita kung ano ginagawa namin ngayon? So, ayan no, meron kaming picnic ni Mrs. dito sa looban ng kotse.
Kadugyutan na may pinapakita.
Kadugyutan. No, yeah, sarap nga niya ito eh. So guys, ito, salt and pepper fish. Di ko alam kung anong fish ang ginagamit nila, pero sobrang sarap. Lalo na pag gutom na gutom ka. Napaka-crispy, napaka-lasa. Tapos ito naman yung favorite namin ni Mrs. Ito yung salt and pepper na shrimp. Ang lalaking parang sugpo na almost eh, oh. Ang lalaki nung ano, nung mga hipon. And then iniiwasan namin kumain ng kanin. But I know this is deep fried tofu. Sarap-sarap. So eto guys, this is $11. This was on sale for $12. And this is $7. So 11 plus 12 is 23 plus 7, that's $30. Busog na kami pareho ni Mrs. Ay, sandali lang, may tumatawag. So guys, kung kami ni Mrs. pupunta sa restaurant, which we were planning on doing, bill siguro namin mga $150, $200, right? Dahil magtitip ka pa, you know, plus there's a premium pag nandun ka sa loob ng restaurant. Eto, for $30, busog na busog kami. So, sarap, di ba? So, sa tingin niyo, ano ba to? Dugyot?
Yummy.
Sabi ni Mrs. dugyot. But to me, it's yummy. Dugyot but yummy. So, parang equivalent neto. Pumunta kami sa bangketa ni Mrs. sa Pilipinas. You know, yung turo-turo, yung mga fishbowl na nasa kalye. So, this is, I guess, equivalent on kalye food. So, ito, kakain muna kami bago kami, you know, bisita dito, bisita doon. Because today is our date day namin ni Mrs. ngayon. Ito guys, mukbang tayo sa kotse. Kukuha na ko sana si Mrs. pero nahihiya eh. Ito yung salt pepper fish. Medyo maanghang daw siya, pero subukan natin. Masarap. That's very nice.
Nakita mo ba yung shrimp?
Not yet. Ito yung shrimp guys. So, down. You know.
Oh, so yummy.
Pati balat yan kinakain ko.
Oh my god.
Si Mrs. sinihimay pa ako balat, kinakain ko lahat. I'm not picky. So raw. So salt, pepper, shrimp.
Sarap, grabe yan.
10 out of 10. Medyo, sorry.
This fish is good too.
Medyo manghang but it's just perfect. Ito, si Mrs. ayaw niya yung ano yung buntot. Ako ayoko nagsasayang, lalo na pagkain. So ayan. Skin and everything.
This is $30? Daddy?
Yeah, this is $30.
Wow.
So 11 for the fish, 12 for the shrimp, and $7 for the tofu. So yung shrimp na yun, punong-puno yung container, $12. Sulit. Ito naman guys, oh. Ito yung deep fried tofu nila. So parang kanin na namin to. Tikman natin. That's good too. Maapaw yung nalagyan. Mabait yung nagbigay. That was $7. Sarap, di ba?
What kind of fish is this?
So, sulit na sulit to, guys.
Daddy, what fish is that?
I'm not sure kung basa or something else, but sulit. So, again, lahat to $30 minumukbang namin ni Mrs. Dito sa parking lot. Kanto boy style. Ganito ginagawa namin ngayon. Dahil, you know, parang mabago naman. Diba? After this, maglalakad kami sa mall para ma-exercise ng konti. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? That's a full meal. $30, meron ka pang pauwi. Pwede mo kainin bukas yan and kinabukasan pa nung bukas. Diba? Sulit na sulit. Super yummy. Sulit na sulit. Paborito ko, eto, tapos eto, tapos yun.
Dati tama na.
Tama na daw. Sige guys, kakain muna kami. Dahil date namin ni Mrs. to eh. Yun guys, so Dixie Outlet Mall. Dito yung tambay namin ni Mrs. pag weekend dahil it's way cheaper. It's way less busier. Dito pwede ka talagang mag-shopping without going broke. Outlet store siya. Tapos merong flea market sa ilalim. Hindi ko alam kung ba't kain kami ng kain. You have to meet a friend. You have to meet some friends to go to a restaurant. Tapos kumakain kami ngayon. Bakit nga ba tayo kumakain, Watch? Why are we eating before
Wait until 5:30.
dalawang beses na tayo kumakain eh. And we still gotta meet them at the restaurant. So ito binili ni Mrs. So what is that? Like a tuna bun for $2.50. And hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Sugar bun. And meron pang isa. Oh, dalawang sugar bun. Saka yun, mango taro milkshake. No, mango milkshake. So $13 lahat. Nandito kami ngayon sa Dixie Mall dahil maglalakad kami para matunawan ng kinain doon sa kotse. Kausap ko ikaw. Sarap ba? Oh, it's good. Malambot siya.
The bread is good.
The bread's really good. I like it. I think that's our mango taro right there. Oh, I keep on saying mango taro. It's like mango. Mango na slushy. Yep. Thank you. It's the mango, right? Yeah. Thank you. You know. Masarap siya. I can make it better at home, but it's good. Listen to Mrs. Toy. Sarap siya. Are we meeting up at the restaurant? Hey, why am I struggling to eat this? Ang sarap-sarap kasi. The bread's really good with this. Kaya lang nakadikit yung papel eh. It's yummy, eh? But don't eat the paper. The paper's stuck. That's really good. We do, but it doesn't taste like this. Lasang artificial yung ano. I don't know if they use totoong prutas ba yung nagamit nila dito. Close by, no? Tanggalin mo na yung papel. Ang sarap niya. Holy shit. The bread is so pillowy, eh? Ang sarap. I like this combination. It's really good. Yeah, dati puro buffet ginagawa. Puro katimawaan ginagawa namin ni Mrs. dati. Ngayon we're trying to scale back para Sumexy ulit kami pareho. Diba? Okay, let's go meet up our friends. Our friends, let's go meet up with our friends. Napaka-fab mo. Napaka-fab mo. Sam, tignan mo kung ano yung nakaparada dun sa tabi namin ni ate mo. Pumunta kami ng Dixie Mall. Tinabihan kami nung pinsan mo. Nagpapaalala. Pero mas gwapo yun sa'yo. Mas pogi pa rin yun sa'yo. So guys, nandito na naman kami sa restaurant. Our favorite dito sa Mississauga, Kanji Queen. Katabi ng Seafood City. We're gonna meet some friends. Tapos yan, kami pupunta ngayon dito dahil sobrang busy. It's Friday. Baby! Yan o, dami-daming tao. Nandito kami sa, ayun o, right by the wine bar. Ewan ko kung merong nag-order ng wine bar dito. Yeah, dahil kanina pa kami kain ng kain. But I like this spot. We've never, hindi pa kami nakakaupo dito sa side na to. Ayan. We're supposed to meet some friends. Dapat nagpagutom muna kami. Instead na kain ng kain. Wala kanina. Anong oras daw silang darating, Watch? 5:30. They should be here soon. Mga kaibigan natin from Spot Pinoy.
Kanina pa ako lemon
Ito guys,
hindi ka
we ended up
nagbibigay.
here. Kita mo. Ate Wanel, Kuya Roland, there you go. So nagfo-fo kami
Sabi
ngayon.
niya, ang shrimp daw ay malaki. Isa naman pala ang ilalagay niya. Doon ay marami.
No, but that looks really good. We've never had
I
that.
know. Hindi naman ako nakain
Yes.
ng shrimp, pero aking in-order na may shrimp.
Magandang angle yan, you know.
Gandang uncle daw yan. Kailangan gandahan niya.
Ate Wanel, paano yan? Itong bilog,
Yan, gaganyan mo.
mababad.
Tapos ilalagay mo sa pinggan, lalagyan mo nito, lalagyan mo niyan.
Okay.
Tapos lalagyan mo ng beef.
Okay.
Beef, kung anong gusto mo, beef.
Okay.
Ganyan.
So para siyang lumpia. Okay.
Yan.
Thank you.
Tapos lalagyan mo siya ng lalagyan mo siya nito.
The
Yan.
vegetable.
Yan. Tapos lalagyan
So para
mo
siyang
nito.
loaded na lumpia. Ganun.
Ayan, ganyan. Hindi rin, iba rin ang sausawan dito doon sa kinakainan natin iba. Tapos ibabalot mo siya.
Oh. It's too pretty to eat.
Yan.
It's too pretty to
Yan.
eat. Nice.
Tapos isasawsaw mo dito.
Yan. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah.